My name is Suyash Prakash. I'm from St. Soldier International School, Chandigarh. I study in 12th Science. I am a FPV freestyle pilot and I fly high-performance acrobatic drones. I am a prominent member of the Indian FPV community and I mentor beginners in this hobby. My design has been patented and it is a very unique design. I have designed my own custom freestyle frame that resembles my flying style. This is the first frame to be commercially available in India in 2024. I have designed it from the ground up by studying various different frames out there. I have done it using CAD modeling and 3D printing. It is one of the lightest frames in its weight class that supports 5-inch propellers. It weighs only around 115 grams, whereas the average weight of other frames out there is around 125 grams. Not to mention, it can support up to 5.5-inch propellers so that you can carry a bit more payload, like a heavier action camera. It is mainly freestyle focused, that means it is supposed to fly smooth and be very agile. An FPV drone consists of propellers, motors, an electronic speed controller also known as an ESC, a flight controller also known as the brain of the drone, an analog camera, and a video transmitter along with its antenna attached. Other than that, we also use a receiver that helps communicate between our controller and the drone. Apart from that, we also attach an action camera such as a GoPro to capture the high quality footage of the flight. My frame has a wide wheelbase. It means the motors are placed far apart from the center of gravity. This means that the force required to move its direction is very low. It weighs only 115 grams, whereas most of the other frames out there weigh 125 grams or so. This means we'll be able to fly longer and faster, and the overall performance increases. I am grateful for the support the school has given me for this project.